Good afternoon, it's 3 o'clock. As you can see, my place is fairly dark, so I'm going to turn off all the lights and pull my curtains close. Oh, how rude of me. Welcome to my channel. Because I have a Zoom meeting later this afternoon, I won't be able to do my normal little paranormal video. So the only light source we have at the moment is my computer as I'm uploading, and I pulled the curtains and I'm just about to turn on the camera, the mobile camera. I've also got the light source, the TV, then turn that off as well because I want to eliminate all sources of light. So the only light is this, and we're going to see if we get orbs at 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Actually, what's the time? Let's have a look. 2:59 exactly. So let's see if there's spirit activity 2:59 in the afternoon. Now, I also want you guys to know that I am very grateful for you watching my videos, and once this video goes black, oh, my motion detector's just come on. Can you see? Can you see that? My motion detector is on. See, can you see the reflection? My motion detector is on. Anyway, it's off now. But, yeah. Let's see if we get any orbs. So as I was saying, I really do appreciate you don't have to like, subscribe, anything. Comments are great. Love comments. But it's nice and dark now. So I love you guys. You know it. Cherish every moment. So once the camera light goes off and goes dark again, it's the end of the video. Okay, guys? You have a really nice night. Alright, and the reason why the camera goes off in the video is the device, my mobile, turns itself, the camera off, because it says it will overheat. Alright, love yous. Here goes. Oh my God. I am shocked. I am shocked. I am shocked. We only got 2. And they came from the bedroom, from the light. You know, I'd be standing. I am shocked. That shows you. Oh, there's nothing else though. Oh, there we are. Did you see that little one? And that one? Thank you, spirits, for manifesting. Thank you. I'm catching. They're around me. They are around me. I can't show you me. There you are. There's my feet. Hello. There's not as many at night though. Motion detector's off. Oh, it just went really cold. I just got really cold. Did you see that big orb come towards me? I got really, really cold. But it shows you can capture orbs during the day as well. Let's look around my place a bit more. I don't expect to see an orb over here. And that would prove there's no orbs over here. one just flew straight past me over the black. Oh, wow. But no orbs in the distance of where I'm pointing over here, because I don't, the traffic over there is minimum. I tend to walk along here. So I expect the orbs to be around me. Alright, I think I'm done. I've proven what I wanted to prove. Thank you. Thank you for the manifestation. And you can see it's dark. Oh, there's a bit of light coming in from the outside sun, I guess. Can you see? The camera's just trying to focus somewhere over there. There was something, can you see? There's a big mess. Can you see? Just near where my jacket is, there's a white mass. Can you see? You probably can't. I can see it through the camera. Oh, beautiful orb. Orb just came from there. We'll walk over. There's nothing. See? It's not as if my carpet's died. We're getting quite a bit. I'll go to my bedroom. It's dark in here. Now, if this was dust particles, we'd be getting orbs here, okay? No. Oh! Sorry. I'm so sorry. This is because this is where I sit most of the day, or in my armchair, and I'd expect, oh my God, I hope you caught that one. That was massive. So spirits are day and night. Thank you. But it's definitely not dust. And that went straight here. That orb straight apart. Oh, any more? That's the side of the bed I sleep. Oh, the camera is having a lot of difficulty focusing. Can you see that the camera is not focusing there? Can you see the camera is out of focus? Why is the camera out of focus? Can you see that? It's not focusing on my bed. Oh, there we are. Flash is disabled. Sorry, that's the end. Thank you. Bye.